Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I will be doing a what's on my Balikbayan box. I will be sending this box soon, probably the end of February, which is this month. So I'm gonna end up sending two boxes, which this video will be part one, because probably next week I will be picking up the extra box because it's like filled and I still need to buy more goodies to send it back to my country, which is the Philippines. So if you want to see what's inside my box, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start with this plastic bag from H&M. Well, the plastic bag is just H&M. So anyway, this bag, I will be giving this to my sister Trisha, and I'm not gonna show you guys what's inside. Well, not half of it, because I did a haul when I was baby shopping at Marshall's. If you want to check that out, I'll just leave a card or the link. So anyway, this is just the baby stuff that I got from her baby, upcoming baby, which is my nephew. And right here I will show you like the makeup bag. So this makeup bag contains makeup. So I got her this Wet n Wild makeup, like the palette, elf, some bronzer, Real Technique sponge, some lipstick from Wet n Wild, blush from elf, and more lipstick. And also got her foundation from Maybelline, and I also got her a brush and just some other stuff. And I also got her more brushes, like a brush set, so I will be giving that to her. Also some face masks and some clothes, so that is that there for her. And then yesterday I went to or not yesterday, but like last Wednesday night, I went to TJ Maxx and I got my sister, my baby sister, this Calvin Klein, I believe this is the bralette right there from Calvin Klein. So I'm gonna give that to her. What I normally do, you guys, since I have one brother and three sisters back in the Philippines, what I do so it doesn't mix up, I put them in the big plastic bag, and I put everything that belongs to, for example, that belongs to Trisha. So I put everything in one plastic bag, and then I put the name. I put a tape on it, and then I put the name. So in that way they don't get confused. So I'll just literally put the name. I'll just give you an example. With this one for Mika, right there. This contains lotion, perfume, and also some of her shirt, and then bag. So I put it right here, and then I put Mika, so she'll know that this is her, so nobody touches it. That's just, that's just me. So that's that. And then, okay, I'm gonna show you what's next. This is for my nephew Raven. It's like a Nike, what is this? Like a Nike short. And then this is for my brother Genesis, just a t-shirt. And then I got also him like I got him a boxers right there, boxer short. And then for my brother Genesis, it's just a Nike t-shirt right there. And then for my nephew Raven, also a Nike t-shirt. And then this is for my sister Mika, since she wants shoes. So thankfully I saw this at TJ Maxx. It's only for like $28, but I believe the original price was like 60 something. I don't know. Yeah, but this is just some white sneakers, shoes. There, there's Adidas on the side. So that's gonna be for her. And yesterday I went to Marshall's and I got my sister Sydney this t-shirt. Oh, not t-shirt, but like this blouse. There, it's pink. And then I also got her this kind of like a romper or jumpsuit, I don't know, but that is black and white right there. And then this is for Mika, my sister, right there. Some t-shirt, more t-shirts. Also a baby bra for her, it's right there, baby bra or bra. And then this makeup bag also contains makeup, same as my sister Trisha, but e.l.f. blushes, same thing, foundation. I will give her the KKW mascara and the Kat Von D lipstick, beauty blender from Beauty Bakery, and then this is the Real Technique sponge, powder from Maybelline, more lipstick from Wet n Wild, bronzer, and liquid lipstick from Wet n Wild. So that's that. That's for my sister Sydney. And I also got her a matcha green tea right there, matcha green tea. And then this is for Angel and baby Lucas, my friend Angel and baby Lucas. That's her baby. And this one is for my friend Mariella right there. So different things like face mask, makeup, and some chocolates right there. And this one as well, this is for her. So I already sent her a picture, like, you know, just to see, does she have idea like what's inside. So that's her as well. And then chocolates. This is the Hershey chocolate. So what I do, guys, is I put it in this way and then I put a tape on it so it doesn't get all over the place. So this is the M&M's, Hershey's. Okay, got bath bomb with it. Oh, I will also be giving this. I'm gonna end up just giving this to my sister because I do have a lot of perfume anyway. So this is from the Victoria's Secret. I will be giving this to my sister Sydney. And then this one is, yeah, over here. So brush set, and then face mask. I got this at Marshall's right there. And it's like a crossbody bag. This is gonna be for my sister Sydney. I'll show it to you. Right there. So that's that. And then more clothes. This is more clothes. I think I showed this to you. Oh no, I didn't. Just some regular basic ones. This one I got from H&M right there. There. And then coffee. I have to get more at BJ's. And then more M&M's right there. Chocolate. Oh my god. Twix, since she loved Twix. There, Twix. And then I got more chocolate. This is the Milky Way chocolate. More M&M's chocolate. Multivitamins from Vita Fusion right there. More chocolate right there. And then see, Skippy. Oh, this is what I got at BJ's, Skippy. I'll just put it back. And then lotion from Nivea, which I got this at BJ's. Chocolate, more chocolate, Snickers. Let's see. Got also some cologne and perfume right there. I just put some of the names on it. And then another matcha tea. Vitamins from my nephew Raven. Oh, and in this bag is Mika. I got this at Walmart, you guys. So I will be giving this to my sister Mika. Right there. It's just like a cute baby pink backpack for now. I think I got this for $9. Yep, $9. I paid $9 for this one. And then vitamins, more vitamins. Of course, Nutella. And also got some Nesquik right there. And Olay Ultra Moisture Shea Butter bar soap right there. And then also got some Dove. This is the shampoo and conditioner plus a dry shampoo in the middle right there. And then I also got my sister a blender. Right here, I got this at Walmart. So it's that. And then some aroma rice cooker right there. Okay guys, so that's it for this what's in my Balikbayan box part 1. Make sure to stay tuned with the Balikbayan box part 2, which I will be probably doing soon because I need to go back to BJ's and, you know, get more stuff and shop for my brother and sister. So anyways, that is it for this part 1. I hope you like this kind of video because I never done any, like, I never did any video like this. Yeah, this is the first time because I did send 2 Balikbayan box already last year and last 2016 and 2017. So I believe like every year I send box every year back to home in the Philippines every November. So November, no, not November, but every September. So I'll probably be there around December. So that's like my Christmas gift for them, for my family. But now since my sister is expecting a baby and I was just so excited, and yeah, so I went and go ahead and shop for like baby clothes, and you know, I'm just a proud auntie. So anyway, yeah, I will be ending up sending 2 packages since this box is already full. Like I couldn't even fit anything here anymore, so I'll be doing a part 2. So yeah, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in part 2 or in my next video.